Hi guys, so today, see the trailer back there? We'll be dropping off the Dreamsicle to the interior guy in Delaware. I got about a 2.5 hour run up the road. Doing it solo today. And can't wait to drop the car off and get this interior work started. I know I've been talking about it for quite some time, so yeah, I'm excited. You know how it goes. You get a project and is excited for each step of it. So stick around. We're going to get this thing over to Delaware and check out this guy's cool shop too. All right, we're about an hour and a half into the trip. Just wanted to touch in. Trailer's still back there. We're still rolling right along. It's getting cloudy, so hopefully I can get the car off the trailer before I get rained all over. It's been wet before, but it'll just leave spots. So we're still rolling along though. All right, so here's the shop. Pulling the car off now. Didn't move, didn't do anything, and it's not raining, but yeah, here's the shop. All right, there it is. And we'll see it in a month. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button. Come down here, hit that sub button. Click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. All right guys, so as you've seen, we dropped the car off. Told me before it was going to be about 6 weeks, and he said he's going to try to get it done in 4 weeks. And he must have told me 10 times he absolutely loved the car, thought it was gorgeous, and which makes me feel good. I mean, because he's a car guy, you know what I mean. And he said he is going to light that car up. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get this back, and I hope you guys join me for that 4 to 6 weeks from now. So, all right, we're just gonna take our butts back home. And later on, we might go to Big Truck Brewery and have a celebratory beer. Yeah, I said celebratory beer. So, all right, let's keep rolling down the road. All right, we're back in PA. We're gonna put the trailer away right here. And look at what we got over there. That's the 55 gasser still up in here. There's the new hinges. Yes, sir. That's the new hinges. It's nice. Yes, sir. This is going to be my next priority. I keep saying it, I know, but I'm slowly working on it. We're getting there. There goes a couple of future projects, both the 350s. I forget which one it is, but one of them's a 202 heads with a 4-bolt main. You know, you never know. One of these motors might end up in the truck, in the 49. Anyway, we're good for today. I'm not sure what that motor is, but that's it. Trailer's put away for another month. Brews are sitting there, and we're out of here. All right, guys, look what else came in. It's the bomber style, hot rod, rat rod, whatever you want to call it, center console. That looks good in the old truck, doesn't it? Yeah, buddy. I'm not sure which direction I should face it, but I think I'm going to leave it that way. All right, man, this has been a good day all the way around. All right, we're ending this day with kind of a car show, I guess, truck show, Big Truck Brewery. Every Thursday night, it's a Thursday. They have car shows, trucks, cars, whatever want to come there. You get a free t-shirt when you join the club, and we just go hang out. So that's what we're doing. We're heading that way now. Alright. There's the old big truck. Let's see if anybody's up here. Ah, Maria's here. This mouth is clean. They did a good job at it. And he's got taps. So we got Maria's truck. Yeah, old Jeffrey's truck. Very sweet Mustang convertible. El Camino. They're trying to get this show taken off. Slowly coming, but they're still not hurting for money much at all. Alright guys, since this is a very random video, again, it's wedding week. So today my daughter gets married in like 5 hours. So I'm just hanging in the garage this morning, but let me show you. I hit the Harbor Freight this morning and I needed to get some bins. Alright, so I got some nut and bolt bins. I needed to get them. I'm trying to get more organized and keep my stuff instead of being in big containers and just where you can't find them. So I think that's nice. Keeps everything nice and organized. So anyway, just killing time in the garage. No projects this morning until we get to that wedding. So looking forward to it. All right, thanks. See ya. All right, guys, we're back out in the garage. Wait, that's how we start videos, not end them. I know this is a very random video, but I had fun doing it, and I wanted to just show everybody where I was at this week. I had the wedding, as everybody knew. I'll post some pictures at the end here of my beautiful daughter, my lovely brand new son-in-law. He'll love me for saying that. And I just want to thank everybody from last week that congratulated me already. I mentioned in the last video about my daughter's wedding, and got a lot of thanks. I mean, congratulations. So it means a lot to me coming from my YouTube family. The wedding went perfect. We have 2 families now out of 1. We absolutely love Josh, and they absolutely love my daughter Angela on that side. They're all car guys and car girls too, so that's another plus. My son-in-law, my son-in-law, he has like 8 cars. He's into AMC cars, but he has 8 cars, and he's very passionate about cars. So just a perfect mesh. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll drop a couple pictures of my lovely daughter at the end and my son-in-law. And thank you again for supporting the channel.